Hello, I'm so glad you're here. I'd like to talk a little bit about myself and let you get to know me a bit better. If possible, please listen until the end. My name is Emma. I am 18 years old. I am beautiful, with long blonde hair and bright blue eyes. People often say that I am just a pretty girl, but they don't know the real me. They think I am dumb just because of my blonde hair. It's not fair, but I am not angry. I know who I am. I am very smart. I love studying. I love reading books. Math, science, history, these subjects are my passion. I am always at the top of my class. My teachers know I am good. They are proud of me. But some students in my school, they don't understand. They see my hair, and that's it. They don't see my brain, my heart, my dreams. They think I am just the blonde girl. But here's the thing, I know I'm beautiful. I know I'm attractive. And I like it. I love to look good, to dress well, and to take care of myself. I feel confident when I wear the clothes I like, when I do my hair, when I feel good about my appearance. Why shouldn't I? There's nothing wrong with looking nice. And yes, I can be beautiful and smart. I can be someone who takes care of her appearance and also be someone who works hard and thinks deeply. I don't need to look like what others expect. I don't need to be a nerd or dress in a way people think a smart girl should. I don't need to wear glasses with no makeup and frumpy clothes to prove that I'm intelligent. I'm allowed to be smart and attractive. I don't have to choose one or the other. People think that because I'm pretty, I must be dumb or shallow. But the truth is, I am none of that. I am focused, determined, and capable. I am not afraid of being both beautiful and intelligent. I can wear nice clothes, have great hair, and still be serious about my dreams. I am not trying to fit into some box of what people think I should be. I am me. Every day, I go to school. It's big, with many students. Some students talk behind my back. Some laugh at me. But I don't care. I know what I want. I am not just a stereotype. I am Emma. I am smart. I am kind. I am capable. At lunch, I sit alone sometimes. It's okay. I like to read, to study. I don't mind being alone because I know that one day, people will understand. One day, they will see me for who I really am. I am not dumb. I am not just a pretty girl. I am a future professional. I am someone with a dream. But, let me ask you something. Do you ever judge people by their appearance? Do you see someone and think you know everything about them just because of what you see on the outside? It's easy to do, isn't it? We all have our ideas, our assumptions, about others. But how often do we stop and think, is this really true? Am I judging too quickly? Maybe you don't know someone as well as you think. Maybe they are not just the things you see on the outside. I'm not just the blonde girl. I'm not just the pretty face. I am so much more than that. And so are you. You are more than the clothes you wear, the color of your skin, or the way you look. You are your thoughts, your feelings, your dreams, and your actions. And what about you? How do you see yourself? When you look in the mirror, do you only see the outside? Do you judge yourself too? I know I've done it. I've looked in the mirror and thought, maybe they are right. Maybe I am just a blonde girl with nothing special to offer. But I've learned not to listen to that voice. It's not true. I have so much to give. And you do, too. We can't let others define us. We can't let the world tell us who we are based on how we look. So, next time you see someone, or even when you look at yourself, I want you to ask, what's beyond the surface? What is this person really like? What is inside them? People are not just the way they look. And neither are you. You are more than your appearance. You are your dreams, your ideas, your heart. And if we all take a moment to think before we judge, maybe we'll see a different world, a kinder world, where people are valued for who they truly are. I am not just a blonde girl. I am Emma. I am smart. I am strong. I am capable. I am beautiful. I can have it all. And I will show the world what I can do. What about you? What will you show the world? Thank you so much for listening to everything. It was great. If you'd like, we can stay in touch. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Wishing you all the best, and see you next time.